New wheels. Vector turbines, 31s. This thing is almost ready to have the body completely just rolled right off of it. I'm actually going to chop huge sections of this thing off the next sunny day I have where I've got time. I'm going to preserve a few things that I want to keep, but this thing is going bye-bye. At least the cab's going bye-bye. The doors are now on the Rallycross truck cab. Looks really, really good because that cab's white. Doors were white. It looks like I painted it. It's fantastic. It's going to look really good, and I'm going to do a wooden bed. I think I'm going to do a wooden bed on this thing, so it'll be interesting. Four-wheel drive, 3-inch body lift, probably a suspension lift down the line, and I have an engine for it. I have a 300ZX engine that I showed you earlier last year that I purchased. I'm going to throw a timing belt on it and throw some gaskets on it, and that's going to be the power plant for this. And then I'm going to clean up this manual tranny, and that's going to go in as well. I have the clutch, flywheel, all that stuff. I already told you guys about that. So just going to keep cutting the body off until it gets smaller and smaller and easier to negotiate. Dashboard here, which I'm getting ready to split. I'm going to split the top off of it, paint it, and then put it back together so it's going to probably be red on the bottom, black on top. Got all the interior pieces in the back of green here, HVAC parts. This box has the wire harnesses in it, and then I bought a engine hoist here. Found that at a garage sale last week. It was a good deal, so I figured why not just pick it up and rock it, because it's going to help me move. And I also got a wet dry vac now. I keep a notebook for every truck that I own, and right now the newest notebook is for this one, and I'm just filling pages with ideas. Some of them will come true, some of them are just pipe dreams, but you always got to keep writing things down on paper and check them off as you move through the line. So how much of that I actually get done, but for now we're just in the destruction phase. I am going to make a mount that goes between the two bumper brackets. That's going to be a 2-inch square tube, and it'll have a front 2-inch hitch, a class 3 hitch with some light bars and other stuff, and I got other plans for it. So I can't wait to see it with the hard body cab on it. I really can't. That's just going to excite me so much. I'll let you guys go. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.